discover the near-magical method to lose unwanted belly fat naturally and safely while you sleep without starving yourself and without doing any exercise more strenuous than making a cup of tea. Here we are ready for you to finally get the flat belly and slim body you've been dreaming of, and which you deserve, without ever feeling like you are dieting, because you aren't. In Eat Sleep Burn you'll discover the simple secret triggering permanent weight loss while you double your energy and set yourself up for a long and healthy life. When you enroll in the program, I'll give you immediate access to Dan's secret Sleep Slim Tea recipe. You'll learn the exact ratio of spices, tea, and other ingredients designed to ease you into a deep, restorative, fat-burning sleep. And, you know what, honestly, just giving you the tea recipe would probably be enough to change your life forever. I mean, if you can't even make yourself drink a cup of tea every evening, I don't think anybody could help you lose weight. But because we've made it our mission to share our life-changing results with as many people as we can, and we want to over-deliver for you, we're going to give you a lot more than that. In the Eat Sleep Burn system you'll learn the precise shutdown sequence required to guarantee the exact form of potent sleep that will naturally melt away all your excess body fat. The 3 key sleep switches that make it easy to reclaim your energy and vitality. How to reset your circadian rhythm so that your body intuitively knows the most healthy time to drift off to sleep and to wake you without an alarm or any morning grogginess. How to control the powerful neurotransmitter in your brain that instantly lets you shut out anxious thoughts and power down your spinning brain. Thanks for watching. Click the link below, all the details in the description.